YON WORLD, what's the deal? It's your boy Original, back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out. Today on my YouTube channel, we going over how to earn free Bitcoin from your YouTube channel. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy YON WORLD. Now, I'm about to share some very valuable information, so please leave a like, please share this video with your friends and family and other YouTube creators. Now, whether your channel is monetized or not, whether you have thousands of subscribers or not, you can earn free Bitcoin from your YouTube channel. And I'm about to teach y'all exactly how to do this. Now, this method I'm about to show you, all you have to do is sync your YouTube channel one time. After you sync your YouTube channel, it's basically on autopilot. Every time you upload on YouTube, your videos will be automatically duplicated on this site. And the difference is with this site is when people view it, instead of you earning AdSense revenue for every view, you will be earning cryptocurrency. And this cryptocurrency I'm about to show you is on CoinMarketCap. It's a very undervalued cryptocurrency that has a very high potential of reaching, $10 or more. So I'm about to show you this cryptocurrency in this platform, but when people watch your video on this platform, you earn this cryptocurrency and you can convert it back to Bitcoin, which can convert to dollars in your bank account. And I'm about to teach y'all this whole method, so please watch this video until the end. Now, the platform I'm referring to is called LBRY. Now, LBRY is a cryptocurrency backed by a platform very similar to YouTube. Now, this platform is decentralized, it's secure, it's open, and it's community ran. It's an open source, decentralized platform similar to YouTube, but the community runs it. All videos are allowed, anybody can join, no matter what type of content, they won't judge you. You can come on here and build a following right now in its prime state, in its early stages. It's not even in its prime, I'm sorry about that. It's in its very early stages to me. And I feel like it has a very big potential in the future. Once more people get exposed to this, this is gonna be the platform, competing with YouTube in a way. And, in its own right, it's gonna have its own story. I believe this platform is structured well enough to survive and to evolve. And, it's already an app on an Android, and it's gonna soon be an app on the iOS. They already have apps for the computer, and it's becoming more and more decentralized, owned by the computers. And we're gonna go over everything in this video, but how to earn free Bitcoin from your YouTube channel by simply syncing to LBRY.com. Now, all you would have to do is go to the link in the description. I'm gonna have a link in the description, but you would go to LBRY.com, sign up, and then you can go up to community and find the YouTube partner program and sync your content instantly and start earning. Like I said, you will be monetized instantly. Whether you're monetized or not on YouTube, you can sync your content with LBRY and start earning Bitcoin today. So all you have to do is come to this page, claim your channel, enter in your channel name, and then you will sync your content with LBRY. From there, you would enter in your email, it will create an access token, and then it begins to copy all of your videos, right? Now, if you already have a YouTube audience, it's good. Now, if you already have a big following on YouTube, you can come on the LBRY and earn first day. Like my first day on LBRY, I made $21, just from syncing my content, $21 just from syncing my content and joining the platform, because I have 20,000 subscribers and 800 videos. So all of that, it just totaled up to $21 on the initial start. But if you just for having 1,000 subscribers, you automatically will earn $53 per year. That's just automatically. Now, if people view your content and tip you, that's extra. But automatically you earn this rewards just for being a YouTube content, an active YouTube content creator on LBRY. So You literally don't have to do nothing. Like I said, this platform automatically syncs all of your YouTube videos. You don't have to upload anything. You don't have to re-upload anything. All you have to do is claim your channel. It syncs it. It'll send you emails during the process showing you, like, you know, your channel is almost finished. Your channel is finished. And then you can go on LBRY TV every day, and you can go within your wallet right here, and you can claim, you know, your rewards. You can see, you know, all of the tips I got. I get tips from videos. All of these are different tips, you know, and they stake the tips. You can cash all of this out. You know, you can send credits and you can convert them to Bitcoin. I'm about to go over all of that, but just showing you how LBRY rewards look. Let me show you. So if you click on you know, your account, and then you go to the reward section, you will see, like, just for being a YouTube partner, you know, every month I get 500 LBC credits. 500 LBC credits just for being a YouTube partner. And if you want to know what LBC is, it's LBRY credits, and you can find this on CoinMarketCap. This is a cryptocurrency. It's ranked 160 on the board. That's pretty good. Right now it's at 4 cents, which is very good. Like I said, this has the potential of reaching $10, you know, once everybody gets on board. You know, the highest it hit was 250, but even if it hit 250 and you invested at 4 cents, you can do the profit. You know, margins on that is huge. So LBRY TV is something big, and every time I find a new website, I like to do research on it on SimilarWeb. And if you go down on SimilarWeb and just look, like, LBRY has doubled its visitors from April to March. So this platform is growing, and y'all gotta understand, like, Bitcoin right now is going through something called the third halving, where they cut in half every Bitcoin that's available to be mined every day. So for example, like, say if it was only 1,000 Bitcoin able to be mined per day, when this third halving happened, now it's gonna only be 500 Bitcoin, and this creates supply and demand. And when this happens, all next year, you're gonna see it. Bitcoin is gonna be worth 60 to 100,000. So just thinking ahead, like, if Bitcoin controls the cryptocurrency market, I know a lot of people may not know about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, but if you look at the last spike in Bitcoin, when Bitcoin went real crazy, that's when, you know, LBRY credits hit its all-time high. And I could show you other charts from Ethereum to Ripple, you know, the Bitcoin Cash. When Bitcoin went up to 20,000, if y'all remember that during the second halving, Bitcoin went up to 20,000, it was all that hype. So many other altcoins, you know, were stimulated from that growth. And LBRY credits is very cheap right now. You can buy in and get a lot of coins. You can get a lot of credits. And, you know, if you sync your YouTube account, you could earn credits on autopilot. So even while it's growing, even if you don't believe in the platform, you could still, you know, have a little on tuck, you know, just for syncing your YouTube channel, because you never know what this platform could do. This platform could be the next YouTube. It could get that big, you know. All it has to do is get exposed. All it has to do is more people could get exposed to it, and more advertising, more eyes. And from there, you know, the world takes it. So
she belongs to the street.
I'm getting involved now because I can see where it's gonna go now. You know, a lot of people, you know, have to see the train moving to hop on it, you know. And to me, the train is already in motion. So, you know, it may not be full steam right now, but it's going, you know. And I just want to be a part of this community. And it's a free way to earn Bitcoin from your YouTube channel. You literally don't have to do anything but sync your account. I come on here, you come on here every day, and you interact with the platform. You watch videos, and, you know, you can follow whatever. Like, you can look up anything on here. You can upload anything you want on here. Everything is allowed on here. And you know, when people interact with your content, watch your content, just as they do on YouTube, you know, you earn cryptocurrency, and it's cool to me. You know, when you interact, when you follow people, you know, you get daily rewards. So it pays to play. You know, it pays to interact with this platform, and you can see all of my different rewards I've earned. Just, I only been on here for 4 days, man, and I done made so much already. So yeah, I just wanted to share this platform with y'all. And like, say if you wanted to withdraw your credits. Now you can send credits, right? You send credits, and then you will use something called Simple Swap. And from Simple Swap, you could basically, send LBRY credits and convert them to Bitcoin. And then you will use, a Coinbase account to receive, in the recipient's Bitcoin address. You would enter in your Coinbase account, and from there, you would be able to receive. So, you're able to cash out these credits. You're able to receive these credits too. Like if you wanted to send, if you wanted to buy LBRY credits on Bittrex or Simple Swap, you could you use this address to receive. I'll have to do another video on exactly how to withdraw money from their LBRY, but this video is already made on that, and y'all can check them out. But I will be making my version soon. But yeah, LBRY is a very simple platform. All you got to do is set it up once. After that, it's on autopilot. You just upload exactly how you upload on YouTube. You don't have to worry about nothing. You don't have to come back and re-upload. It'll take the title, the thumbnail, the description, the tags, and it'll automatically have it displayed on the LBRY network to the LBRY audience. And why not just get your channel on here to the LBRY audience? It'll automatically duplicate it. It'll save your channel if anything ever happens in the future, which you lose videos. You'll always have a duplicate on LBRY. So and if YouTube ever decides to demonetize you, at least you could still be earning Bitcoin in the background off of your content. So it's worth building a following. It's worth interacting with people so you can gain more followers. You can use the LBRY credits to promote your channel, and that's why you see right here I have currently 500 LBC staked, and this is all in support for my channel. So when I support my channel, it just spreads it across the LBRY network more, and that in turn leads to more tips, and it's a cycle of growth. So I understand the platform right now, but if y'all have any questions about LBRY, if I didn't explain it well enough, please just leave a comment. I'll respond to every comment on this video. Just take this advice, and it's very valuable information. I just want everybody to see an opportunity and take advantage, like how your boy YON WORLD do. So it's your boy YON WORLD. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my LBRY TV channel at YON WORLD. I'm out. Peace.